Having the right type of tables at the end of your automatic assembly line is important, and Packserv offers you two types, the accumulation and the sorting table. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The accumulation table is designed to be the final piece in any production line, collecting the containers at the outfeed end of the conveyor for packing off into cartons. With a 1200mm HDPE surface, it can hold a large number of products and reduce the number of operators needed at the station. Now, the sorting table, on the other hand, is designed to be the first point in any production line, feeding containers in a single line onto the conveyor system. Its design also helps reduce the number of operators needed. Featuring a transfer belt that keeps containers moving in a stable and consistent fashion, it can adapt to whatever space dimensions you're working with either inline or side mounting onto Packserv's range of conveyors. And to prevent a build-up of containers on the conveyor line, there's a time-delayed photoelectric sensor that alerts the tabletop and transfer belt to stop operation. For more information, go to packserv.com.au, and thank you for watching.